Have you ever wondered what makes Stockholm, Sweden so magical? It's a place where the old and new harmoniously intertwine. This enchanting city is steeped in rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning architecture. The cobblestone streets of Gamla Stan whisper tales from the past, while the modern city centre hums with the vibrant pulse of the present. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or a traveller seeking breathtaking sights, Stockholm has something for you. Join us as we embark on a journey through this enchanting city and uncover its many wonders. Our journey begins in the cobblestone streets of Gamla Stan, the old town of Stockholm. Time seems to stand still as we wander through narrow, winding alleys flanked by colourful buildings, each steeped in centuries of history. This is where Stockholm was founded in the 13th century, and the echoes of the past resonate in every corner. The centerpiece of Gamla Stan is the iconic Royal Palace, an opulent structure of over 600 rooms that serves as the official residence of the Swedish monarch. Its grandeur reflects the power and prestige of Sweden's royal lineage, a testament to the country's rich historical tapestry. As we explore further, we discover quaint shops, offering everything from traditional handicrafts to contemporary Swedish design. The aroma of freshly baked kanelbullar, or cinnamon buns, wafts from charming cafes, inviting us to take a break and soak in the local culture. With its rich history and charming atmosphere, Gamla Stan truly embodies the spirit of Stockholm. No journey is complete without delving into the local cuisine. And when it comes to Swedish cuisine, there's a world of flavors to explore. At the heart of many Swedish meals are staples like meatballs, herring, and the ever-popular kanelbullar, a delicious cinnamon bun that's a national favorite. But Swedish food isn't just about what's on your plate. Take fika, for example. More than just a coffee break, fika is a cherished Swedish tradition that's all about taking a moment to slow down and appreciate the good things in life. Whether it's catching up with friends over a cup of coffee and a kanelbullar, or simply enjoying a quiet moment alone, fika is a daily ritual that plays a central role in Swedish life. From hearty meals to sweet treats, Swedish cuisine offers a delightful food experience that is sure to tantalize your taste buds. From the old town, we move to the bustling city centre, a testament to Stockholm's modern marvels. This is where Stockholm's pulse truly beats, with a vivacious mix of contemporary architecture and dynamic attractions. Take, for instance, the ABBA Museum, not just a tribute to the world-renowned pop group, but also a testament to Sweden's influential role in global pop culture. Then there's the Vasa Museum, housing the well-preserved 17th century ship, the Vasa, bridging the gap between the past and the present in an awe-inspiring way. But the city centre isn't just about museums. It's a hub for the arts and music scene, with a plethora of galleries, theatres, and live music venues. As twilight descends, the city centre transforms into a vibrant nightlife hotspot, with a wide array of bars, clubs, and restaurants to choose from. The city centre, with its modern marvels and vibrant culture, showcases Stockholm's progressive side. Our journey ends with a serene boat tour through the stunning Stockholm Archipelago. This mesmerizing maze of waterways, home to thousands of islands and islets, is an enchanting world waiting to be explored. Each island, a unique gem, offers its own slice of paradise, from dense forests to sandy beaches, quaint villages to secluded coves. Emerald green waters ripple with the gentlest of breezes, reflecting the azure sky above. The archipelago offers a calming, peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. It is a place where time seems to slow down, where the air is filled with the scent of fresh pine and the melodies of chirping birds. The adventure seekers among us can delve into numerous activities, glide across the tranquil waters in a kayak, or hike through the unspoiled forests, discovering hidden trails and panoramic views. For those seeking a quieter pace, enjoy a leisurely picnic on a secluded beach, or stroll through the charming villages, each one brimming with its own history and character. As the sun sets, painting the sky with hues of pink and orange, the archipelago transforms into a haven of tranquility. The day ends with the soft lapping of waves against the shore and the twinkling of a million stars overhead. With its serene beauty and abundant activities, the Stockholm archipelago is the perfect ending to our journey, reinforcing the magic that is Stockholm.